with a recipe that's a national dish in Greenland called susak. And then we're going to complement that with a dessert from homemade from scratch Danishes for Denmark. They are both connected, but did you know that you are connected already with the United States? North America connects to you, and we want to get more connected to you. Maybe you would like to take over our country or vice versa. We're open to anything because it's all in your best interest and perhaps ours too. We are now going into it on The Jew. I'm so glad you're on The Jew. We're going to start this episode featuring Greenland and Denmark with a hot coffee drink they make in Greenland because it's so cold a lot of times. And what you do is you take a spirit like whiskey, or in this case I'm going to take rum. Oh, that's so wonderful. And we're going to take that and we're swirling it around and we're going to heat it up. It's our relationship is coming together in ways that you never dreamed of. We're going to take the spirits, the Kahlua and the whiskey rum, and we're going to add the hot coffee to it. Next step coming up. We make the whipped cream of your dreams. Make this real whipped cream, fresh, by combining it in the blender of your choice. Here we go. Let that blend up until it's all ready. And you pour that fresh cream into the relationship and make it just beautiful. Look at that. Oh, it's a creamy good relationship right there. We have such a smoldering good relationship with you, my Greenland friends. I think we have succeeded in making your beautiful drink even more beautiful for the world and world peace, most importantly. And we chop up the lamb, which is so much more humane to slaughter a lamb instead of killing whales or seals or fowls that fly. I hate that. We will make your recipes safe and good again for society and birds that fly into windmills. Sometimes they get killed. That's why we are against wind power. We have other powers. And we're chopping up mushrooms and onions. Oh, Greenland, you have very nice green onions. Ooh. I love cutting up carrots because it reminds me of our favorite president. We're chopping up baby lamb to save the reindeer. We love Christmas. I don't know why you would kill reindeer. Do you not like Christmas? We say it's okay to say Merry Christmas now. Well, not now. When it's the season, that's when you say it. I'm so happy at all seasons. Princess Isabella, I love you. Believe me, I will be with you forever. At least until you give us Greenland. In your dowry, I promise you will become so famous and wealthy. I'll make you a star. I invite you to be on The Jew and to be my wife. I may not be a prince or a baron, ouch, but I will be your one and only if you give me Greenland. Now we're frying it all together like a beautiful relationship. Oh, Princess Isabella, I'm your fella. This is barley that's fresh from a Greenland farm. we're gonna boil that a little bit before we add all the other shit. Stir this up and make it really happy. Woo! We are turning up the barley. And if you want to know how much of everything to put in here, don't worry. It doesn't matter as long as you are happy and with us forever. Here we go. Hello, now we're going to pour it all in. Hello. Yay. Save your main species. Now we're going to stir up all that mixture. Add in some pepper. Add into the fun. You have Denmark pepper, don't you? We'll give you some of ours if you're nice. There's 4 cups of water in this soup. I'm gonna add my favorite Nona Peas to this Greenlandic national dish. Ce soir. Oh, that is so luscious. Look at the richness as we add such a wonderful flavor. I don't know if you knew it, but I knew it. I don't know if Queen Isabella knew it, but I'm in love. Now we're gonna make a very fun bread with, this is a garlic and mushroom mixture, believe it or not. Oh, Queen Isabella, you would love this if you were here with me now. We don't even know each other, but I think we do in another world. My dream world come true. Now we're gonna top off a bread mixture with mushrooms, and we're gonna sprinkle some Parmesan. It's American Parmesan. You'll love that, Queen Isabella. We're gonna top that off with some green onions. Oops. I put some green onions on there. I'm gonna put some my favorite Nonas. Hey. And now we're going to make a very special Danish. And I hope you're listening, Queen Isabella. Heather. I'm gonna cut them into pieces that we make into turnovers. And we will turn over a new leaf with our friends from Greenland and Denmark. My beautiful Queen Isabella. Look at how we're cutting up all of ourselves into a beautiful land that we can live with forever and ever in happiness and glory. Now we mix 1 egg with 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. This will go on top of our homemade pastries.
Okay.
And so now I'm going to make the fresh ingredients for our filling and our Danish pastries as we take strawberries and lemon juice. Oh, we're going to let this simmer for about 15 minutes. We'll put a little sugar in there to sweeten our relationship. And then we're gonna macerate it. Princess Isabella, this is my love for you overflowing. Oh, wonderful strawberry jam going into the heart of our relationship that will last forever and ever. Oh, this is becoming so sweet. Just like my love for you, Princess Isabella. Made from scratch. We take some cream cheese and we take some of our strawberry mixture and we do that for every one of our pastries. Look at how we're taking over this Danish pastry from scratch. It's going to be ours forever. Fold it over like a turnover. Look at that. Beautiful. And for each one, we're going to do that. 2 tablespoons of vanilla in a whole lot of sweet powdered sugar, my love. 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to mix it up. And now we're serving up the Szechuan so happily. It tastes like warmth from a cold Greenland winter. You're gonna love what I've done with your recipe. And I took the liberty of broiling some reindeer antlers that taste delicious. You can see when the relationship is fully baked. So warm and delicious, like our future together. We love you, Greenland, and Denmark too, but not so much.